thought about how you might implement this approach at your agency? Harkmore and Heidi and Janae gave us a whole lot to think about on the webinar. So how might you make it happen at your agency? Okay, so for most of you, you're still thinking, which is great, or you've actually thought about it. And we hope that this session will inspire you to think perhaps a little bit more and move off that fence. So let's now talk to our presenters. Last week you heard all about simulations from our presenters, Harkmore Lee, Heidi Staples, and Janae Mankowski. We learned about how LA County developed their simulation labs, how this approach employs adult learning, and then the nuts and bolts of putting on the simulations. We had many questions that we weren't able to get to during the webinar, and we're going to pose them now to our presenters. And we're also asking Robert to join in as well, because he might have some perspective as an evaluator. Okay, here we go. Harkmore, Heidi, Janae, Robert, the question is, how have you built in culturally specific scenarios to create opportunities for staff to learn about engaging families who belong to a culture not their own?
This is Harkmore. On that particular question, we've slightly incorporated the aspects of culture into some of the scenarios, but it has not been formally done yet. But it is definitely an opportunity to do. And just to give you a thought, Cal State LA, we are piloting with our own social work students, not necessarily part of the DCF training, but with some social work students, of addressing the issue about culture, about diversity, and so forth.